Hello students, in today's video I am going to show you how to install the Scratch 2.0 offline editor software in your computer. So you need these two files, Adobe AIR.exe and Scratch-461.exe. These two are installers. These two softwares are required to install the complete Scratch 2.0 offline editor tool or offline editor software. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to go to Google, and in Google search bar you have to type Scratch 2.0 offline editor and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will see the first search option that will come up is Scratch 2.0. So you have to click on this link and you will be redirected to this website. So this is the website to install Scratch 2.0 offline editor. From this website you can download the installer required for Scratch 2.0 offline editor. I will also give this direct link to download these softwares. So the first software that we need is Adobe AIR, and this is the first step. If you don't already have it, download and install the latest Adobe AIR. So you have to click here on Adobe AIR. So once you click Adobe AIR, it will ask you to save into your computer. It will ask for the location. So click on desktop and click on save button. So once you click, then you will get this Adobe AIR.exe file. So this way you have to download this software. Another software that you need is Scratch offline editor. Next, download and install the Scratch 2.0 offline editor, and you have to click on download Windows because you are downloading for Windows operating system. So you have to click on this. So once you click on this button, it will ask for the location to save the installer file. So once you give the location, then click on save. Then once you save, then it will download the exe. So in this way you will download the required file for Scratch 2.0 offline editor software, which is Scratch-461.exe. So these two exe files are downloaded now. So first thing we have to do is we have to install the Adobe AIR.exe. So double click on Adobe AIR.exe file. Once you double click on Adobe AIR.exe file, you will see this setup wizard. So Adobe AIR setup, this is the wizard, Adobe AIR installer setup, and this is the personal computer software license agreement. So you have to go ahead and click on I agree button. So once you click on I agree button, you may or may not get this one pop-up window saying that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, yes or no. So you have to click on yes, otherwise you will see the installation completed, Adobe AIR has been successfully installed window, and you have to click on finish. Now I will show you how to install the Scratch-461 software. So double click on Scratch-461.exe file, and after you double click, you will be seeing this, that application install wizard, and you can read that Scratch 2 offline editor installation preferences, add shortcut icon to my desktop, start application after installation. So I have checked both this option, and below that you can see that installation location is C:/program files x86. This software will be installed on this location. So go ahead and click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, you may or may not get a pop-up window saying that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, yes or no. So you have to click on yes. If you do not get any pop-up window, then you will see this screen, Scratch to Offline Editor installation application is in progress. So wait for couple of seconds, and after that you will see that Scratch to Offline Editor application will be automatically launched. So this is the installation steps of Scratch to Offline Editor software. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video.